We are ready. So today we are going to Hoya, जो हमारा लैंटन फेस्टिवल के लिए फेमस है।
गाजियाबाद जाके गौरी को अपने घर पे याद आएगा।
वियतनाम के गाजियाबाद में जा रहे हैं हम लोग। वियतनाम जगह पे जा रहे हैं, which is called Hoya, and it is known for lantern festival every night. So I hope कि बारिश ना हो and आज हमारा दिन अच्छे से निकले और कल जैसा ना हो।
छाता हमें से कोई नहीं लाया, मैं तो जो
So finally we are at Hoya, but the problem is यहाँ पे मतलब पूरा पानी हो रखा है। इवन स्ट्रीट्स भी, चलो यहाँ पे तो पानी होता है। आई थिंक रात में ये पूरा लैंटर्न से डेकोरेट होता है एंड देन इट लुक्स रियली ब्यूटीफुल। मैं दिखाऊंगी, बट या दिस इज द डे लाइट वर्जन। अभी हम उस साइड रोड के जाएंगे। इस साइड के रोड में तो बहुत सारा पानी था। Lovely weather today. Hoya Market is a lively and colorful place. Actually, it's in heart of Vietnam. It's a great spot to experience local culture and traditional Vietnamese life. Also, it has very fresh seafood and local food. You can try tropical fruits, delicious Vietnamese street foods. They also have this handicraft and souvenirs such as handmade lanterns, silk clothes, bamboo items, and whatnot. I was surprised to see these beautiful lanterns. I just have pure love for them. It gives me so much of positivity and happiness. The market was lightened up with the lanterns, and all I could think about taking these lanterns at home and decorate my lobby during maybe Diwali. This would look so good. I'm just loving the idea of decorating my home with lanterns. Of course, जहाँ पर भी हम लड़कियों को ज्वेलरीज देखेंगे वहाँ तो जाएंगे to explore. Even though we're not buying anything, but still we're going to see the collection, and totally I was in awe because मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे, इसलिए मैंने ज़्यादा खरीदारी नहीं की थी. Already मेरे बहुत पैसे लग चुके थे. But yeah, I actually love the items जो मार्केट में दिख रहे थे. I just wanted to grab everything. These cute little purses, oh my god, the bags made me just wanted to have it. But because of the budget restriction, I just only saw. So here we are actually having a real discussion about what lantern to buy and what not to, because we were in love with all the lanterns, and मेरी friend का तो था कि हम इसको सारे lanterns हम इनसे ले लें और घर पे ले जाए. But of course that is something we can't do about it. But yeah, so I was confused कि मैं बड़ा वाला लूँ या छोटे वाले लूँ. So it was 450 for big lanterns, and for small one it was around 250, and अगर उससे थोड़े बड़े थे so it was around 700 if I'm not wrong. After spending half an hour, we finally decided what to have and what not to. It was a really difficult task to decide, but yeah, we were finally happy, and we three of them bought lanterns and we were heading towards the market. If you want to explore Hoya, one day is enough, but I personally loved it so much that I would definitely spend another day just to soak, the energy of Hoya. I couldn't fully take the beauty of Hoya. I was completely in awe. It's amazing how the lanterns all around make the place look so magical and beautiful. I just really don't want to go. So we were heading towards the other part of the market. This market is huge. You need a full whole day to explore. So we were actually staying in Da Nang. From that place it hardly takes 1 to 2 hours of distance, and we arrived here around 3 in the afternoon. And yeah, this is the evening part, which is looking so beautiful. And look at these lanterns, it's all over there. You are going to see at every spot of the market, which looks really beautiful.
在心里默默许下心愿，希望我们的爱直到永远。
Also, I was shooting our vlogs. I was worried about कि मेरी footages नहीं आ रही है रात में GoPro अच्छे से ले पाएगी नहीं ले पाएगा. So of course, even if I'm traveling, all I have to think about is the content. वो कैसा shoot हो रहा है या कैसा आ रहा है, and I was so conscious about it. But yeah, I think ultimately I do enjoy with my friends, and my friends are also helpful in creating the content बीच में. Sometimes they do get irritated, but it's okay. That's part of me. You have to accept it. अगर मैं आप लोग के साथ जा रही हूँ. So Hoya also had that custom made shops जहाँ पर आप अपनी custom made dress बना सकते हो. So they have tailors जो आपको एक दिन में बना के दे देंगे. But due to shortage of time, कल भी हम दानंग में थे, but हम लोग को यहाँ पर नहीं आना था. We do have some other plans, so we were not able to that opportunity to have our custom dress made. मेरी friend का बहुत मन था, but unfortunately because of shortage of time हम लोग वो चीज़ नहीं कर पाए. तो अगर आपको है कि नहीं मुझे मेरी custom made dress मुझे बनवानी है यहाँ से, so make sure that you are here for 2 days. So then I saw this really cute cafe, though I didn't went inside, but it was really cute. And यहाँ पे बहुत cute cafes है जहाँ पर आप बैठ के खा सकते हो, drink पी सकते हो, everything you can do. It just I was so mesmerized and I really wanted to stay here for like a week or maybe a month. कितनी शांत जगह थी and बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. Then we also went to this shop जहाँ पर हम लोग dresses दिख रही थी, but we didn't bought anything from here because थोड़ी सी pricey थी. But I love the dresses, the colors, the print बहुत अच्छे थे. मुझे कभी दिल्ली में ऐसे prints दिखे नहीं. The collection was so good. Me and my friend was like do this robbery of this shop because we loved their collection. Then I had the sugar candy and this rice paper pizza which was really amazing. बहुत light था and काफ़ी tasty था. मैंने पहली बार ऐसा कुछ try किया था. मैंने सुना तो था कि यहाँ का बहुत famous होता है, but it was quite good and we had these small snacks. So finally we went to the shop which was quite intriguing, I must say. They have really good collection in terms of accessories. उनके पास काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें थी like purses and shades, but I do loved it and I mean we were like seeing कि कौन सी चीज़ हमें लेनी है या नहीं लेनी है. Of course, as usual, me and my friend really wanted to have everything from here. But yeah, so I was just looking into it कि मैं ऐसा क्या लूँ which is like something लगे कि मैंने वियतनाम से लिया है. They have cute little wrist accessories, dangles थे and what not. So finally I got myself this Shay which I really loved it and we did our shopping. Here is a proof. Yes, and these are the pictures which I get clicked. So I couldn't take a boat ride because the water level were too high. It's monsoon season from October to Feb in this Da Nang and Hoi An region, and due to heavy rain many areas were flooded. The police had banned boat rides for safety reasons, though we did see few still operating at their own risk. So the best time to visit the city is from Feb to April because it has this mild and comfortable weather. This month does not have any rainy season, so you can even have a boat ride unlike us. Okay guys, that's it. Here ends my Hoi An vlog and see you in my next vlog. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe my channel.